Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to use Capcut template in TikTok. So first, all you have to do is to simply open your TikTok application, but make sure that you're using the latest version of your TikTok. So in order to use, you can just simply go to your home feed, scroll and look for that Capcut or any available Capcut template here. So if you like the template, then all you have to do is to simply click the video and click CapCut template, use template. Now, if you can't see any CapCut template here, you can go to the search bar and search for that CapCut template that you want. For example, CapCut templates retro, or CapCut templates aesthetic, or CapCut templates vintage, then samples of those templates will appear here. And all you have to do is to scroll and look for a perfect CapCut template for you. You can view the person if you think that this person always upload CapCut templates, but you can also just click directly or click CapCut template and use it right away. So we have here samples of this CapCut templates. For example, this one, all you have to do is to click the video, tap this CapCut, try this template, and then after that, click use templates in CapCut. Then it will take you directly to your CapCut account. Make sure that you have downloaded also this CapCut application. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now, what you're going to do here is to just simply import the picture or video that you wanted to edit. First, click this use template. After you click this one, you can now import those videos that you wanted to include here or you wanted to edit. Okay, just click allow. Okay, and then tap the videos here. So select the videos or pictures that you wanted to edit. Once done, all you need to do is to click preview. This is the output. Now, if you like the result, well, you can just simply tap this export at the top right corner and wait for a couple of seconds. Then you will get the result. Now, here's the thing. If you go to your TikTok and you can see this CapCut template, maybe the video or the one who uploaded that template is not really the owner. So most of the cases, the owner won't allow others to use that. Okay, so another thing is you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your TikTok application. You just have to go to your Google Play Store, type TikTok, and make sure that you don't see that green button there that says update. Okay, so as you can see, I have updated my TikTok so I can get access to the latest version and latest features of TikTok. So now that you have updated your TikTok, all you have to do is to simply click open. And then actually another thing also why you can't see the CapCut template is that you need to uninstall this one. There is something wrong with your TikTok. So you have to uninstall this one and install it again. Okay, if it's still not working and still you can't see the CapCut template, you have to go to Google and type any CapCut template samples there. For example, go to Google and then type CapCut templates. Then you can see samples of templates there. Then you can use that, edit, and upload this to your TikTok. For example, this one. You can just simply tap this one and use these templates. And that way, you can use your template or you can use CapCut templates in TikTok. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.